Good morning everyone from ISHM, the International School of Hospitality Management, Kolkata. We the student of Diploma and Advanced Diploma, today we are going to host a very different kind of event. The event improve not only the fun part but the fun which will going through the medium of education. And that is the reason today's event has been named as Edutainment 2021. We all welcome you to this amazing event and to enjoy our journey together. Let's.
So, as by looking at the tree, you can understand the Christmas vibe is going on in our college, and there is a lot of fun. There will be a lot of fun today, and so let's continue. Let's go to the upper floor. So we are in the sixth floor where you can see the short form of International School of Hospitality Management, ISHM. So like this, we can see more things going forward, and let's.
And this is our food production department where we already having a competition. Let's come inside to have a look.
So as you can see, I am inside the kitchen where the food production competition is going on, and यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 4 लोग हैं जो कि है एडवांस डिप्लोमा की टीम, और लेट्स नो व्हाट दे आर मेकिंग, एंड दिस लुक्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग एंड टेस्टी. अभी हमारे साथ है मिस शांतिनी सासमाल जो कि है एडवांस डिप्लोमा की सीआर, और यहाँ पर शेफ़ का भी रोल निभा रही है. और तो चलिए जानते हैं वो आज क्या बना रही है आज.
So we are making today butter garlic rice with mustard honey chicken. This is specially an Indian dish, and specially this is a Bengali cuisine. We Bengalis love mustard, so and also chicken. So and we are styling this with some continental flavor with honey.
So here is our Mr. Marshall Gomes sir with us, and let's know something about today's competition and event. Sir, something about you and your.
Good morning, guys. And today I want to say that today, 2021, the end of the year, end of the month, we are checking the skills. We are testing the skills of our students, how they are doing. We'll check each and every from the beverage to the housekeeping to the front office as well as the chefs and the cooks over here. So people are having their different perspective of making their dream come true. So this is the place where they can shine, they can show their skills all the way.
This is our food production teacher, Chef Ronit. Let's talk about sir. कुछ बताइए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, and today is about edutainment.
First of all, good morning everyone. And आज जो हो रहा है it's about the college fest बोल सकते हो. edutainment जो हम लोग का हो रहा है, it's a new trend that we got over here. And इससे क्या हो रहा है कि जो students हैं हम लोगों का, they are getting a very big knowledge, you know, and here we can see the passion, the love for everything for the department, you know, as many of them you know participated in kitchen, जिसको प्यार है cooking से, so they are showing their skills, you know. जहाँ पे आप लोग देख सकते हो इतना आप लोग वो अच्छे अच्छे रेसिपीज बना रहे हैं, ठीक है, खुशबू बहुत अच्छे आ रहे हैं. तो यही है कि एडुटेनमेंट का पर्पस जहाँ पे वो लोग अपना स्किल शो कर पाए, जहाँ पे वो लोग देयर पैशन, देयर डेडिकेशन, देयर लव टुवर्ड्स देयर डिपार्टमेंट्स, दे कैन शो दैट, यू नो. एंड जैसे मैं देख सकता हूँ सब कोई बहुत ही अच्छा कर रहा है, बहुत ही उन लोगों का जो ईगरनेस है टुवर्ड्स द फूड बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, right? So it's a good initiative that management ISHM took, you know. It's really wonderful to see people around doing their job, doing everything with passion and love. It's a very big thing, you know.
this is our F&B teacher, shop fixer. Let's know about the mocktail what they're making. So please tell us.
So they are making a layered mocktail. The main ingredients are blue curacao. You have a lemon slice, okay, a sweet lime slice, and they are now mixing sting, which is something they are adding similar to grenadine syrup. Okay, so they are making a layered mocktail. So it's a very refreshing coolant, and you can use it mainly in the tropical regions during the summer times. And they have also added ice over there in the form of ice cubes. So I personally think it's a very good drink for the tropical weather as well as the summer time. Okay.
Thank you.
This is
so
about the
much.
mocktail.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Silence, please.
So here we are having a highball class, and in which we will make the mocktail. Their name is as Ice 8 Virgin Dragonade.
तो अभी हम लोग फूड एंड बेवरेज का जो लैब है वहाँ पर फूड एंड बेवरेज कंपटीशन चल रहा था। तो यहाँ पर हमारे भाइयों ने कोई एक ड्रिंक बनाया है, तो आप लोग कुछ बता सकते हैं आपके ड्रिंक के बारे में?
श्योर, हम लोगों ने इसका नाम वर्जिन ड्रैगनेट दिया एंड हम लोगों ने चॉप ड्रैगन फ्रूट्स यूज़ किया है इसको बनाने के लिए। स्लाइस ऑफ लाइम यूज़ किया है, चेरीज यूज़ किया है, स्टिंग यूज़ किया है, गैथोरेट यूज़ किया है एंड स्प्राइट यूज़ किया है, एंड इवन वी हैव एडेड सम ice cubes for the refreshing portion. So, if you want, then you can taste the
तो आपको ये ड्रिंक बनाने के लिए किस चीज़ में अट्रैक्शन हुआ कि आपको ये कंपटीशन में ये बनाना है?
Actually, इसका looks अच्छा था, it was even the taste was good, so that's the reason we have tried to make it.
I think so, because this looks good and this is really attractive. Okay, so have a nice day.
तो they are already have make mocktails. तो आप mocktails के पीछे क्या हिस्ट्री है तो क्या बोलना चाहिए?
Okay, the history actually said that Mr. Jerry Thomas, he is inventing the first book of the cocktail, and the name of the cocktail book is the Cocktail's Guide. And in there, they are trying to figure it out without alcoholic drink. For those people who are not enjoying the alcohol, and those people who are just not asking the alcohols previously. So for them, they are trying to make the mocktails from 1916. They have started to make mocktails. According to the American guidebook, they are written in evidence that one of the London biggest bar, they have started the making of this kind of mocktails with a great nutrition value, and these mocktails will not make you hangover.
So, ma'am, would you like to explain us what is going on in this accommodation lab and what is about the event going on today?
Yes, it's a wonderful event wherein it is a competition on what our students have learnt. Now, this is almost the third or the fourth batch or group that I'm seeing, and they are really doing a wonderful job. They've almost done the course for a month or a little more than a month, and the way they have done the practical is fantastic. Very, very well done. And the best part is their team coordination, which is very important in our industry. Teamwork with technicalities is what we look forward to. Yeah, so I hope this will continue with the batch.
Our class teacher, sir, tell me about editing.
Okay, this year we have done this program because of the pandemic. We couldn't go outside of this college. Otherwise, we would have done outside of this college. But due to pandemic, due to a situation outside, we have done this event indoor. So this program is all about participation, all about understanding the knowledge that we have already done in our curriculum. You know that we have started the college online. So mainly the theoretical portion that we have made you understand, we wanted to do something on the practical one. So one, we got the go-ahead from the West Bengal government. We have started the offline classes, and there we have done a lot of practical work. So we want to understand from all of you, all the batches of the first year, how you have got this exposure. Okay, so that's the reason we have conducted this fest, and this fest mainly was of three main curriculum. One is your housekeeping, bed making, second one is your mocktail making competition, and the third one is your food production. You must have seen in this video that we have gone through a lot of exciting new fusion cuisines that our first years have just made, and you have also seen a lot of mocktails that we have made as well. So in this video you will also see a lot of different types of beds that they are making. So mainly this event is for the students of first year who wants to participate, who have done the practical work already. We want to give them some actual exposure of the industry. Okay. Thank you.
We are really glad to share our special event to all of you guys. So please let us know which part do you like the most, and please like, comment and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for guys.